So over here, you can see that we have our custom form. And if we want to add a field where we can add in phone numbers, then I can easily do that by clicking in between, let's say, for example, two fields right here, and by clicking on add block. I can go ahead and type in phone, and then you can see that phone number field actually pops up. So this is a place where you can go ahead and add in phone numbers. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and change around the input field style and so forth as you like. And then let's say, for example, I want to add in more fields as well, like a multi-line text field block as well, so that people can actually type in comments. So I'm just going to click on the plus button. So let's try below the submit button right now. And then I'm going to type in multi, and then you can see that multi-line text field block is an option. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in comments right here, just like this. Then you can see two submit buttons right here. But I want it within this form, so I can simply click and drag it in right here, and you can see that now it becomes a part of that particular form. So I can just go ahead and delete this submit button, and now I got a multi-line text form right here that is interactive. So if I were to go ahead and press the save button right here, it simply gets updated. And if I were to go ahead and expand this, then you can see that I can go ahead and choose a date right here, add in the phone number as I like. I can also add in letters, but you can see that this is what you have right here. And then you can also go ahead and add in comments in multi-line right here, just like this in this particular field. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the phone number field block and multi-line text field block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.